Did you know many influencers lose their Stripe accounts overnight simply because they fall under Stripe's prohibited categories? A quick search shows it's not uncommon. Stripe often groups influencer businesses under broad prohibited categories. That means even if you're running a legitimate brand, you can wake up one day locked out of your income stream. For creators relying on consistent payments, that is devastating. EasyPay Direct is built differently. They underwrite your account upfront so you know you're approved before you start processing. And they give you stability features like recurring billing and transaction routing, plus tools like hosted checkout for simple payment links. Together, these keep your influencer business running without the risk of sudden shutdowns. I've linked Easy Pay Direct in the description. Check it out today to see how influencers and digital creators keep their payments secure. Getting started takes just a few minutes. Click the link in the description, fill out the quick form, and set up a payment system that's designed for influencers and not against them.